Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve a registry editor issue that when you're attempting to add a registry key, it's giving you an error that says it cannot import the file to the registry. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing, depending on what your registry value is in question, make sure you don't have any misspellings or syntax errors. You may also want to consider going through the group policy editor as well if you're running Windows 10 or Windows 11 Professional or higher. Or if you're running a server edition, you might want to consider looking for an alternative way of modifying those policies. So that's something else I would take a look into as well. One final thing you can try as well would be if you have the file itself, right click on it, and you want to select where it says Properties, select the Security tab, where it says to change permissions, click Edit, go ahead and select the Edit button, select Add. You can either type in your username here, or you can type in everyone, and then you would select Check Names, and then select OK. Select Full Control, so click the little check mark underneath Allow and Full Control, and select Apply and OK. OK again, and then you can attempt to add that registry value to the registry here, and then hopefully it should go through successfully. So this is just an empty file. I don't actually have anything in it. I just wanted to show a demonstration for today's tutorial. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.